You must always check for current national regulations regarding boundary positioning and noise emissions. We have a more detailed video covering these topics in our Introduction to Heat Pump series. The outdoor unit requires adequate airflow for efficient operation. Therefore, it is essential to maintain minimum clearances based on the unit's final positioning. These clearances also account for future maintenance access to the outdoor unit. Let's review some common installation positions and discuss the necessary clearances for each. If the unit is installed against a wall with 3 open sides, it requires a clearance of 100 mm between the back of the unit and the wall. If the unit is installed with 3 open sides and a wall in front, it requires a clearance of 1 metre between the front of the unit and the wall. If the unit is installed against a wall with 2 open sides and a wall in front, a minimum clearance of 100 mm is required between the back of the unit and the wall, whilst the front must have a minimum clearance of 1 metre. If the unit is placed against a wall with 3 open sides but covered above, there should be a minimum clearance of 300 mm from the back of the unit to the wall and a clearance of 1 metre from the top of the unit to the cover. The cover above the unit should not extend more than 500 mm beyond the front of the heat pump. If the unit is enclosed on 3 sides and only open at the front and above, it requires the following clearances: at least 300 mm from the back of the unit to the wall, 100 mm from the left side to the wall and 500 mm from the right side to the wall. Note, the larger clearance on the right is needed for access to the electrics and for case removal. If the unit is surrounded on both sides, at the back and above, with only the front open, the following clearances are required: at least 500 mm from the back of the unit to the wall, 200 mm from the left side to the wall, 500 mm from the right side to the wall, and a minimum of 1.5 metres from the cover above. The cover above the unit should not extend more than 500 mm beyond the front of the heat pump. These clearances apply to single unit installations. For multiple unit installations, please refer to the Installation and Maintenance Manual for specific guidelines.